What's going on, traders? This is Mike with Tactical Traders. Right now, I'm doing some end of the day scans on November the 2nd, and right now I'm looking at ticker symbol Dgly, and this is the daily chart pulled up over the last 6 months of price history. And please don't mind these drawings on it now. These are from past chart breakdowns. So I actually just left the lines right on because they kind of still pertain to this. Moving forward, we're just going to say real quick. These are obviously some areas of resistance, and as you can see, it's still continued resistance from whenever I did the scan last. You can probably go back in my YouTube videos and find with a date. Anyways, today's action had a lot of volume coming in, and it hit the area of resistance that we had highlighted before. So I'm going to actually pull this up on more of an intraday chart. Let's see, maybe 15 minutes. All right, so yeah, this one looks pretty decent. All right, so what we had happened was, early in the morning we had some great volume coming in, and that brought the price action up and pretty much formed a nice bull pull right here from a low of roughly 235 to 310-ish. Then the price did fall back pretty hard. It had this shooting star candle form. But overall, price fell back to the 270, held support, and then continued to make, gains and higher lows. So right now what we're looking at is we're basically seeing this form an ascending triangle. And I'm actually just going to remove some of these. I guess I should remove some of these drawings just so it's a little bit more clear. All right, so here we are. I'm going to leave this one right here. So this is the area of resistance. I know, yes, the price did get above this momentarily and had great volume behind it, but overall the price did fall back below. So this is the ascending triangle right here. You have the higher lows coming up, meeting the resistance, and as this range gets tighter and tighter, we're going to be looking for the price action to make a certain move. In this case, I'm definitely going to be leaning to the bullish move. The overall trend is bullish. You can see that from the 50 SMA, the 200 SMA going up an incline. But also, like I said, the higher lows is another great indicator. And also, I would never recommend shorting penny stocks. The risk is just really not there for me. So we're going to be only looking for a bullish trade on this. So as the range gets tighter here, we're going to be looking for an increase in volume. At that time of the increase in volume, we're going to want to see the price move up. And where I say up, I specifically want to see 320 break. And yes, I know the resistance line is right here at roughly the 306. But because this high was made right here, I'm going to be leaning towards more 320 is where the price I'm going to see break with an increased amount of volume behind it. Now, I do not recommend this for a speculative buy, meaning you'll be buying down here within the pattern still. This, to me, is going to be more of a confirmation breakout with that volume behind it. The volume is going to be key. It's going to be showing me that there's a lot of bull momentum behind it, and it's going to push on to newer highs. And now looking for an area where price targets can be listed. Let's pull back a little bit so we'll go back right down to the yearly. All right, so this 340 area, definitely an area of resistance right here. So we're watching this 340 area. As you can see, the price did have problems getting past this multiple times. Yes, it did get past this momentarily, but for the most part, it did trade below that. So I'm sorry, not 340, 360, I should say. So look to buy at the break of 320 with a price target, first price target at 360. If you want to play a little bit safer, you can also take off maybe a third or maybe a half of your position size at 340, continue on to 360, and hopefully for longer gains after that. Alright, traders, well, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more. Check out tacticaltraders.com for a free trial to our live 24/7 chat room. Thanks for watching, traders. Until next time, stay profitable.